Hi all, Mick here. Recently I painted our pergola, OLR, shale grey, came up with schminky do, and I was trying to figure out a way to stop these birds from roosting up in these gaps here and nesting up in the pitches. I was thinking, how am I going to do this? Well, I've come up with this brilliant idea. I'm going to claim it as an original, absolute original idea. I don't care if you've come up with it. This is my idea. Nobel Peace Prize coming up. And the answer, my friends, is the humble chicken wire. All you basically got to do is cut it, measure the width, cut to size, roll it, and slot it in. No need for staples or securing it in any way. That's pretty neat, I reckon, and it's come up pretty good. Blends in well with the pergola, the framework, and it stops the birds from, roosting up in these spots here and nesting in this area. I had a really bad nest in that spot. Tenants have been evicted and locked out for good. There you go, folks. If you've got a bird problem, and I'm talking about feathered birds, this is how you can keep them out. The humble chicken wire. Go ahead and get onto it. Thanks for watching.